Depending on AliExpress in 2026 is the fastest way to kill a dropshipping store, especially with 20 to 30 day shipping times. So today I'll show you what to look for in a real supplier, the different types of dropshipping suppliers, and which one I'm currently using to scale my own brands in 2026. If you find any value in this video, just do me a favor and drop a quick like. My name's Alex if you're new, and when you're ready, let's get right into it. So let's start by talking about what to look for in a good supplier. A good supplier has all of these. Now, most suppliers look good on paper, but they fail when you actually start to scale. And a good supplier can actually save you from a lot of problems that beginners don't even know they have. Now, the first thing you want to focus on is shipping, your shipping speed, and your supplier reliability. You need to make sure every supplier you work with has fast processing times. Your order should be packaged and sent out the door in under 48 hours. And you want to make sure they have consistent delivery estimates. You don't want to be waiting 20 to 30 days for your packages to arrive. Otherwise, you're going to have to deal with countless refunds, chargebacks, and just so many angry customers all the time. So to avoid that, make sure every supplier you work with has just 3 to 7 day shipping. This will save you so many headaches down the line. And of course, you want to make sure they have US and Europe based warehouses. That way you can get global delivery and that short shipping speeds, just like we already mentioned. And make sure all of your shipments have real tracking numbers that your customers can follow along with. I can't tell you guys how many times I was dealing with AliExpress suppliers and they would just send out fake tracking numbers and nothing arrives at all. Another thing you want to make sure of is that they have a low loss package rate. Now, a good supplier will take full responsibility and replace any packages that are lost in transit, broken, or seized by customs. But poor suppliers will shift the fault to you or your customers and they won't refund any of these. So you're stuck and reliable for all of these costs. And like we already mentioned, we want just 3 to 7 day shipping times to most major markets like the US, the UK, Australia, Canada, whatever market you're selling in, you cannot be waiting 30 days for your products to arrive. So next up, we want to focus on suppliers that have good branding options. They can do custom branding and packaging to make you stand out from your competition. So they can give you things like custom packaging. These are boxes, mailers, or inserts with your logo or any custom branding you want on it, custom thank you cards. They can put your logo on your products. They can do white label products, private labeling. I remember back in the day, there used to be an app to where you would have to ask these AliExpress suppliers not to include any branding, not to include any documentation from their own business. But now these suppliers can do all of that automatically for you. So there's no signs that your package even comes from China. So they can give you custom shipping labels, custom packaging with your logo on it. They can put your logo on all of your products. This just really helps you build a premium brand feel. And this is the only way to build a business in 2026. You don't want to build those cheap, scammy looking dropshipping stores anymore. You want to build something that's going to be around for the long haul. So moving over to quality. You want to make sure every supplier you work with has a good quality control team in place. Now, many AliExpress suppliers do lack this because this is really expensive for factories to include. Think about it, they're paying an extra team of like 5 people to stand around and just inspect packages all day. But if you're working with a good reputable supplier, they will automatically include quality control with every order they send out. So if your product arrives to their warehouse damaged or the quality is just not up to par, they'll replace it at no cost if they're a good supplier. So like I already mentioned, you want to make sure they have manual quality control checks before shipping anything. They have the ability to reject any defective products, and they can give you photo or video proof of inventory. Every time a new shipment arrives at my supplier's warehouse, my agent makes sure to send me a picture of it all. That way you know everything's running smoothly in the background. And of course, you want to make sure all products are very consistent. Nothing's changing from product to product. I've had suppliers in the past where we'll sell out of a certain variant, so they go ahead and just keep shipping out different variants or different versions of the same product. But if your customers aren't getting the exact same products that they ordered, this is going to cause a ton of issues for you. And of course, you want to make sure each agent works with reliable suppliers and not just random factories that can source anything. So now let's talk about communication. This is hands down one of the most important parts. Any good supplier out there will assign you your own dedicated account agent. This is somebody that's completely dedicated to your business. They'll source any products you need them to, they'll store all of your products for you, and they'll update you with everything to do with your business. Now, you want to make sure your supplier has fast response times. You want to make sure they're getting back to you within hours and you're not waiting days or even weeks for a response. You don't want any language barriers or translators or any other communication mishaps. Like we already mentioned before, you want to make sure their problem resolution is good, that they'll go ahead and refund or reship any orders that need to be sent out again. And this goes for things like quality. So if a product arrives damaged, they should replace it free of charge for you, because that's truly not your fault. So those are the 4 main things I look for when choosing a new supplier. We have shipping, branding, quality, as well as communication. Any good supplier out there should score highly on any of these marks, and you don't want to miss any of these. You want to make sure any potential supplier out there has fast shipping, good branding options, a quality control team in place, and fast and transparent communication. That's it. So now that you know what matters, let's talk about the different types of suppliers you'll actually run into. So these are the 5 different types of suppliers you can work with. Number 1, you have your AliExpress style suppliers. These are by far the easiest to start with, but the hardest to scale. AliExpress are your basic suppliers and nothing more. There's no quality control in place. They have slow and inconsistent shipping times. There's no branding or custom packaging available. You have manual fulfillment, so you have to go through and manually fulfill each order one by one on AliExpress and pay for them individually. And of course, you have unreliable product consistency. So each product might arrive damaged, different from the other, or even not at all. So AliExpress suppliers are best for testing only. Once you find and validate a winning product and start making a few sales with it every day, you need to move on and find a private supplier. Now that's the next type of supplier right here. Private agents. Private agents are better than AliExpress, but the risk does vary from agent to agent. Each one's different, but they are going to get you direct communication. So now you're working directly one-on-one with a dropshipping agent rather than all these different AliExpress suppliers. And typically 9 times out of 10, they are getting you much faster shipping than AliExpress because they work with hundreds of different carriers. Now, of course, like I already mentioned, quality does depend on the actual agent and the standards that they set. And this often isn't very scalable because a lot of times these agents actually can't keep up with the same demands like private suppliers can. So private agents are best when you're testing the waters and you find and validate a winning product and you're in that in-between period from AliExpress and a private supplier. Now the next supplier we have are 3PLs or third-party logistics services. These are great for brands. They're not exactly beginner friendly because a lot of them do have minimum order quantities. So for example, a lot of them will say you need to be making at least 100 orders every month to qualify. And for someone just starting out, you're not making 100 orders a month if you're just a complete beginner. But they do have very fast shipping options available. What these guys do is they order your products in bulk from manufacturers. They store them in their own warehouses and they ship all of your orders out as they come in with their own shipping lines. These guys are typically a lot more reliable than private agents and obviously AliExpress suppliers, but like I already mentioned, they do require inventory upfront. So you will be spending a lot more upfront with 3PLs, but this will save you money down the line. So they have higher minimums, which does make this very expensive for testing new products. So if you're testing a product, I recommend staying on AliExpress or finding a private agent. This is by far the best for already established brands that are making hundreds of sales each and every day. So next up, we have manufacturers. You can buy products directly from the manufacturer and have them handle everything for you. So this by far gives you the best margins, but also has the highest commitment out of any of these suppliers, even 3PLs. Because now you're working directly with the factory. There's no more middleman. You're not storing it in anybody else's warehouse. You're shipping it directly from the manufacturer. And these take special types of deals to actually set up. You should be selling hundreds, if not thousands of units of your product every single day and making hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month by now. But these will give you the lowest cost per unit because you're not actually paying a middleman. These are coming directly from the manufacturer. So you're paying that 3PL price. But they do require the largest MOQs or the minimum order quantities. You typically have to buy thousands of units at a time if you're dealing with a manufacturer because they just want to produce all of your products upfront in bulk. They don't want to have to go through and make these and ship them out individually every single day. They just want to have one big stockpile based on your projected demand. Now with these, you do have long lead times, slow onboarding process, and it's not very flexible for testing. But just like established brands, like we already talked about, this is best for selling proven products only. You're not going to do any testing with 3PLs or manufacturers. These are for when you're making thousands of sales every single day. Now, last but not least, we have one of the best options out there. And these are your hybrid suppliers. These are like a combination of manufacturers, 3PLs, and private agents. Now, these hybrid suppliers are built specifically for e-commerce stores. A lot of them have apps and platforms that hook right up to Shopify. This is by far the best option for dropshippers in 2026 because you don't have any MOQs, you're not paying storage fees for a 3PL, and they assign you your own dedicated account agent. So you already have someone that's completely dedicated to your brand. This is why I personally use a hybrid supplier for all of my own stores. And the one I'm currently using right now is called TeamDrop. Now, TeamDrop is one of the best hybrid suppliers on the market right now. Now, they're a fairly new supplier. I think they actually only launched in the last couple of years, but this is who I've been using for all of my own stores over the last 6 months. Now, I'll show you guys how to get started in just a moment, but as you can see right here, it's a super simple process. You go ahead and authorize your store, whether you're selling on Shopify, WooCommerce, or wherever else. You'll go ahead and list your products directly to your store in just one click. And all of your orders link up directly with TeamDrop as they come in on your Shopify store, so they can automate and handle everything for you. Now, here's some more information about them down here. They are a newer company, but they already have over 1 million users. They do over $100 million in sales annually, and they have over 12,000 square meters of warehouse space. Not to mention, they work with over 100 different shipping lines, so they can get your products delivered fast. Now, they offer services for every type of seller out there. You have AI product sourcing, you have print on demand and custom packaging, you have auto fulfillment, quality control like we already talked about, their 24/7 support team, and they link up directly with all the top platforms out there, whether you're selling on Shopify, Amazon, WooCommerce, Etsy, or even TikTok Shop. Now, one of the best things about TeamDrop is how fast their shipping actually is. Over 93% of their packages to the US and Europe are delivered in under 8 days. And you guys can see right here, they have their 8-day guarantee, or they'll refund all of your shipping fees. And of course, they have 24-hour processing time as well. So all of their US and Europe orders will ship out in just 24 hours. And these guys will actually use AI to find the best routes and the best shipping carriers to get your products delivered the fastest. So you guys can see their average shipping times to each region right here. To the US, you're getting 6 to 8 days. To Europe, you're getting 7 to 9. To Canada, you're shipping 9 to 12 days. And globally, you're doing 12 to 18 day shipping. Getting AliExpress products delivered in 6 days is completely unheard of. But with TeamDrop, this is absolutely normal. Now, by far, one of the best things about TeamDrop is their pricing. When you're working with other shipping platforms like Zendrop or CJ Dropshipping or AutoDS, you're paying a monthly fee. So you already have to pay a monthly fee. A lot of times you're paying storage fees on top of that. Then you're paying product and order fees and everything else. But the truth is, any supplier out there is making a little bit of money on each and every order. So even though TeamDrop can source your products for less than AliExpress, they're still making like 20 or 50 cents in every single order. But they're not in it for your money, unlike every other platform out there. There's no monthly fees, there's no storage fees. All of your quotes and product sourcing is completely free. The only times you have to pay for your orders is as they come in. So just like AliExpress, you only pay for each and every order. And unlike many of these other suppliers out there, there's no MOQs. So you can pay for each order one at a time. So TeamDrop is completely free to use. There's no hidden fees, nothing. There's no fees at all. So I'll go ahead and leave a link for them down below. Go ahead and click on that to set up your free account. So when you first log in, you're gonna go over here to store management. You're gonna click on authorize store. You're gonna click add store. You're gonna select if you're selling on Shopify, WooCommerce, or eBay. You're gonna click authorize, and it's that simple to pair your Shopify store with TeamDrop. From there, you can go up right here where it says find product. You're gonna select TeamDrop products. Now, these are all products offered directly from TeamDrop suppliers. So all of these products are much cheaper than AliExpress, and they're all delivered in just 8 days or less. And from my experience, TeamDrop has like 99% of the hottest dropshipping products right now. They add products to the catalog every single day based on current trends. But if there is a product you're looking for and the rare chance that it's not actually on TeamDrop already, you can just reach out to your agent and they'll go ahead and source it for you. I can't even begin to tell you guys how many products I've sourced directly on TeamDrop. So like for example, this Bluetooth headband is a very popular product right now, and you can source it for just $4 on TeamDrop. And there's no MOQ. They have 2 different color options right here. You're getting it for $8 shipped out the door, which is a little bit expensive, but they have a ton of different shipping options available, and you can actually reach out to your supplier to go ahead and get those prices lowered. But if you want to sell this product, you can go ahead and list it to your store in just one click right here and literally start selling these products in the same day. Now you can click over here where it says packaging, and we can actually create our own custom packaging for all of our orders. So you guys can see all the different types of packaging they offer. They have these dust bags, they have these boxes, they have these small transparent bags, but they literally have any type of packaging that you guys would need. And of course, they have their print on demand tab over here where you can sell any type of print on demand product you'd like to. So they have custom apparel, custom jewelry, custom tote bags, mugs, anything you want to sell. Like, I'm 100% serious, guys. There's not a single product out there that TeamDrop can't source. Then of course, when you start generating orders on your store every day, you can move over here where it says orders, click purchase order. So it's going to show you all of your orders from your Shopify store. All you have to do is log in once a day, select this select all tab right up here at the top, click pay for your orders one time, and TeamDrop will fulfill everything for you. Oftentimes, once I pay for an order, it has a tracking number on the Shopify page within a couple of hours. But this just makes running your business so much easier, especially when you have a reliable partner like TeamDrop. So by now, you should have a clear understanding of what actually matters when choosing a dropshipping supplier and why I'm using TeamDrop for all of my own stores. If you want to check them out, I'll go ahead and leave a link for them down below. And if you have any questions about suppliers, sourcing products, or scaling your store, drop a comment down below. I make sure to read all of them. But I also have a ton of helpful resources in the description for you guys. Don't miss out on any of those. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.